Welcome, and my name is Cubot Power, and today I will show you how to change date and time setting. So start off by opening up the settings app, and from here scroll all the way down into system, and you will find date and time right here. And the first thing you would want to do if you want to change any settings, you will need to deactivate the automatic time zone and use provided network or network provider time. You need to set it to off, and then you are actually able to change them. So you can just start switching however you like it. And date goes the same way. You get to select whatever month and day you want by just tapping on it. And then you also have options on the bottom if you want a 12-hour or 24-hour clock and the format at which it's being displayed. And if you prefer to have it as it was automatic, you can choose it to be either with GPS or basically the network provider from the SIM that you have inserted. But that's basically how you would go about changing the settings. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.